Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to easy integrate Google Drive with Notion. So first let's open Notion and create new page. For example, name it Google Drive integration. Now let's get back to the center of the page and create a table. For example, here type in name and here Google Drive. So this property will get Google Drive integration. And now just let's click on let's click on the plus button here and type in Google Drive. Here you will find the embed of Google Drive. So click on this and add your Google Drive link. Let's add our Google Drive link here to embed it to Notion. So let's click on Google Drive and just let's, for example, copy this Google Drive link. Let's, for example, select this, click share and copy link, head over to Notion and paste the link and click on link. So in this way you be able to add your Google Drive link to your Notion project. That's it guys, your work is done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.